Alright, what is up everybody? Halo Fanatic here, and I have a special video. I just had an idea. I'm gonna put a virtual machine on Dimmdrive, at least part of the virtual machine, 25 gigs, give or take. And so I'm going in here right now. It's gonna be Windows 10, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So as we can see, I think some of these are, what do you call it? These are caches. I'll put the caches on there just because. I think these are all snapshots. Majority of these are probably snapshots. Maybe. But, there might be changes, actually. Changes that are made. Let's see. I do wish Dimmdrive would, like, show how much you have selected. That'd be kind of cool. Submit selection, so program size 24. I'm gonna cut it down, so I'll put it down to, just to be safe, 17 gigs loaded of a 25 gig virtual machine. That's pretty good. So let's go ahead and do that, and we're gonna go on. Let's give this a try. Let's see how this goes. I'm very curious about this. So we'll go here, and then well, it's not ready quite yet, but yeah, I have a text message. Well, we're waiting for that to load anyway. It's getting there. I can't remember what password I put on this thing, so we'll see what I did. I might have it connected to the domain server. But alright, anyway. So now we're gonna go to here. Open virtual machine. Go to copy. Cause I think I did the copy. Yeah, I did. Go there. Alright, so the machine's gonna have 4 gigs of space. That's why I left a little bit extra, because right now I'm using 22 out of my 32, so I just wanted a little extra on there. We'll go resume. We'll see if this, yeah, copied it. Let's see how long this takes to load. What? Oh. Let's see if this wants to load here. Oh, it's lagging. What's going on? There we go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, baby. What if we do a safe reboot? Restart. See how long it takes to restart. Can you imagine having your entire Windows operating system on your RAM all the time? How crazy and ridiculous that would be. Uh, my CPU usage is at 100%, so you know it's keeping up. So you know the RAM is like keeping the machine is keeping up, like whatever. But CPU is not keeping up. CPU is the bottleneck right now, but I have a pretty damn good CPU, so. This is taking a long time to restart, actually. So maybe I did just need to reboot it here. It's taking. See, one issue that I have run into with Dimmdrive is it doesn't like the sync, the dot. Whatchamacallit? The pre-sync folders and things. So this is taking a long time to restart. I think it might actually be in a loop. Oh. Might be getting somewhere. There we go. So I think this is where it actually has to load the stuff that's not on there. So that's like 8 gigs-ish. It's loading part of that 8 gigs. All right. Let's try to go full screen now. Maybe. Still no full screen yet. Really doesn't like 4K. It's a bit of a disappointment, honestly. Oops. Alright, well, let's, yeah, it is trying to log into the server, so. Which is, okay, I must have offline logging on. Logging in available or something. Let's go display settings. I can see the CPU trying to work with it, but what's my GPU at? GPU's not working very hard. So, okay, so let's try 1920. You can do that, right? Yeah, okay. We got that. Let's go up a little bit more, shall we? Okay. Okay. And it just doesn't want to. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. We'll let it go back down to this here when the timer goes up. It's probably going to be like 2 more seconds. There we go. Okay, well, 2560 by 1920. That's not bad. So, let's open up Internet Explorer. Oh my god, Internet Explorer is instant. It's crazy. Oh. Let's, yeah, like everything is instantaneous. That's great. I'm using 26 of the 32 gigs. So I could open up the server right now too if I wanted to. And I could like do some stuff, but I won't. Calculator, yeah, calculator. Pretty instant. That's kind of cool. I like it. That's cool. What if we what if we copy over this file over here? What if we do that? Put it on the desktop. Cool. Now what if we want to make a copy of it? Does it use my RAM? That's what I'm wondering. I don't think it's using the RAM. Oh, it might be. I think it is using the RAM. Let's copy a bunch. It is using the RAM. Cool, cool. Now, is it using the virtual machine's RAM? I don't think it would. I don't see why it would. Am I derping right now? I was like, where's Task Manager? More details, performance. No? Okay. Yeah, that wouldn't make sense for it to use the RAM. What are we at here? Let me see. It's only got a gig left. So let's well, we'll just have to see. So it's at 1.19 gigs. If I copy this. Oh, wait, it's not going down. Fresh. Oh, yeah, it is. Yep. So it is using the actual. It's using Dimmdrive's RAM. So that's very interesting. That's pretty cool. That's really pretty cool. Yeah, my RAM is like topping out right now, 27.5 gigs out of 32. So, whew, it's been a while since I've used that much. Getting a little iffy. I start to worry, like, oh my god, one of my RAM chips is gonna be like, and just die on me. Like I'm terrified of that. But this is cool. This is really cool. So, whew, I'm excited. So now if I get rid of all this, we should see. Let me do this just so we can see this drop, because that's gonna be very, very interesting. Cause I want to know, what if we delete this, does that actually help out? No, it doesn't. What if we wipe this? It does not. So there you can also see how hard drives don't actually get rid of the information. It is still on there even if you delete it. So even though it's using the RAM right now, which is weird. If I power off the machine, it's going to be gone. You can guarantee that. It doesn't come back. Nothing stays on RAM indefinitely unless you're constantly supplying power to it. But that's very, very interesting. So hope you guys liked the video. I know I did. If you want me to do any more testing with something like this, let me know. For all of you that don't know what Dimmdrive is, it's a RAM disk, meant for gaming RAM disk, and this is what it looks like. You have a list of all your installed games for Steam. You can just click on, and it puts the entire game on your RAM, so it's instant loading. It's great. You can go check out the forums. I've done many videos and everything that talk about Dimmdrive and how it's great and whatever. But then, just like you can see here, you can go apps and you can put individual folders if there's like a non-Steam game, or if you want to do Adobe on there, whatever you want to do. So yeah, let's end the machine. Let's shut her down. Because I know if I just turn Dimmdrive off right now, this would probably corrupt the VM right now, just because VMs are not meant to be shut down like that, or put entirely on RAM, for one thing. Okay, and you always have to actually click close out of that too, because otherwise it keeps a cache of it. So let's go ahead and turn Dimmdrive off. And let's see, did it change yet? Okay, no, it's still got all that on there. So as you can see, this is all the information there. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. So now, if we undo this, it's only going to copy. Yeah, it's only going to copy over the stuff that was changed. So now, if we're lucky, we should be able to boot up the VM again. Maybe. I've never done this, so it might not work, because it's not meant to do VMs. Okay. Well. Huh. As you can see, this is obviously taking a lot longer than when it was, because we were already up at the machine working right now. Now it's reading back from the hard drives. I actually have 2 hard drives in RAID 0, and they're both, well, one's 5400 and one's 7200, so they're both running 5400. I don't care. So they're both reading from the hard drive right now to go start and boot the machine like you would a normal machine, as if I had a desktop sitting right here with 2 drives in RAID 0 and that as the boot drive. So let's see here. Let's I wonder if it can boot. I think I have to click. No. Ooh. Oh. Oh. This is very interesting. It should go to the domain controller as the domain, so it should be 410 server, I think, or des server 2016. Once I click, yes, okay. Huh. Cool. Obviously, that was not instant, as you saw before, or calculate. Like even there, it's struggling to shut it, like close it down right now. Calculator, like it's not instant anymore at all. Oh, this is interesting. This is so cool. All right, so I'm gonna shut it down because I don't need it anymore. But this is a really great video. I really enjoyed this. This is really sick. Look how long it's taken to shut down. That's crazy. Who wants hard drives anymore? Who uses hard drives for boot anymore? Solid states for life and RAM disks for life. Yeah. All right. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I'm Halo Fanatic, and this has been a little episode about delving into RAM disks and things like that, and how they work with virtual machines. It's it's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet indeed. So, all right. See you guys later.